Hello friends, this is Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Today we would like to see question answer of Nelson Mandela, that is part 2, thinking about the text. उसमें से देखेंगे. पहले पार्ट में हमने 13 क्वेश्चन देखे थे. Those who have seen my video, those who have not, they must see it. Now thinking about the text, each and every question will be delivered only once. Question 1. Why did such a large number of international leaders attend the inauguration? Inauguration means commence, start, begin. What did it signify? The triumph of. Triumph means win, conquer. Now answer. The presence of large number of international leaders was a gesture. Gesture मतलब sign. A gesture of solidarity from international community to the idea of the end of apartheid policy. Apartheid. It signified the triumph or win or conquer of good over evil. Good over evil. The triumph of the idea of the tolerant society. Tolerance मतलब जो bear करता है, tolerate करता है वो, without any discrimination. छोटा है तो वापस रिपीट कर देता हूं. The presence of large number of international leaders was a gesture of solidarity from international community to the idea of the end of apartheid policy. It signified the triumph or win of good over evil, the triumph of the idea of the tolerant society without any discrimination. Now, second question. Question number 2. What does Mandela mean when he says he is simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him? I repeat. What does Mandela mean when he says he is simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him? Answer. Mandela wants to pay his tribute, Shraddhanjali बोलते हैं, tribute to all the people who had sacrificed their lives for the sake of freedom. He feels that he is the sum, SUM, sum total, sum of all those African patriots. Patriots मतलब those who are having strong feeling for country, Desh Premi, who had gone before him, because those heroes of yesteryears, मतलब के पहले के जमाने के, yesteryears had paved मतलब वो path दिखाना, paved the path of cooperation and unity for him. उसको एक राह दिखाई वो सबने. Therefore, he got the support of his people to be able to come to power to bring equality for his own people. जिनको तकलीफ है तो आप इससे वो पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर रिवाइंड करके देखें. Question 3. Would you agree that depth of operation create heights of character? How does Mandela illustrate this? Can you add your own example to this argument? मैं क्वेश्चन वापस रिपीट करूंगा. Would you agree that the depth of operation create heights of character? How does Mandela illustrate this? Can you add your own example for this argument? Now answer. Yes, I agree that the depth of operation create heights of character. Nelson Mandela illustrated this by giving examples of great heroes of South Africa who sacrificed their lives in the long freedom struggle, जैसे इंडिया में हुआ है सर. India is full of such examples. During our freedom struggle, there was a galaxy of leaders of great characters. अपने यहाँ भी थे, भगत सिंह, आजाद, चंद्रशेखर आजाद वगैरह. Probably the operation of British rule created so many men of such character. If we compare this with the quality of political leaders, right, India is having today, then Nelson Mandela seems to be absolutely right. तो उसने जो पीछे वाले को सबको ट्रिब्यूट दिया वो. Now next question, number 4. वो थर्ड वन वाला इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं था, but how did Mandela's understanding of freedom चेंज विथ एज एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस, उसकी बिलीफ धीरे धीरे चेंज कैसे होती गई. हाउ डिड मंडेला's अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम चेंज विथ एज एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस. With age, Nelson Mandela realized that he had a lot of responsibilities of his people, his community, and his country. As a boy, Mandela did not have a hunger for freedom. इतना नहीं था. Because he thought that he was born free. He believed that as long as obeyed his father and abided by the custom of his tribe, he was free in every possible manner. He had certain needs as a teenager and certain needs as a young man. Gradually, he realized that he was selfish during his boyhood or childhood. He slowly understand that it is not just his freedom that is being curtailed or restricted or hampered or checked, but the freedom of all the blacks have been hampered. It is after attaining this understanding that he develops a hunger for the freedom of his people. That was the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? मांडेला की हंगर ने उसकी लाइफ कैसे चेंज कर दिया. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Mandela realized in his youth that it was not just his freedom that was being curtailed or checked or hampered or restricted, but the freedom of all blacks restricted. The hunger for his own freedom became the hunger for the freedom of his own entire people. This desire of non-racial society transformed him into a virtuous मतलब जिसके पास अच्छे गुण हो. वर्च्यू का अपोजिट वाइसिस. वर्च्यूज मतलब अच्छे सद्गुण हो. सेल्फ सैक्रिफाइसिंग मैन. Thus, he joined the African National Congress, and this changed him from a frightened, darasa, सहमा सा हुआ, frightened young man into a bold man. Now, all short question and all additional question from Navneet. All of you, those who don't have Navneet, must learn and hear and try to learn this video. Try to learn this question answer, sorry. Question 1, additional question. What promise did Mandela make in beginning of his oath-taking speech? What promise did Mandela make in the beginning of his oath-taking speech? Answer. Mandela thanks all the international leaders and guests as he calls it an occasion of joy and victory for justice. He promised that the country would not again experience the oppression of one by another. एक दूसरे के ऊपर जुल्म नहीं करेंगे. Question number 2, very important one, बहुत सारे पेपर सेट में है. What freedom meant to Mandela in his childhood? What freedom meant to Mandela in his childhood? During his childhood, the meaning of freedom for Mandela was quite limited. He considered it to be free to run in the fields, to swim in the clear stream, free to roast millis, मतलब जो खाना है वो, and ride the broad backs of slow moving bulls. I repeat, during his childhood, the meaning of freedom for Mandela was quite limited. Considered it to be free to run in the field, to swim in the clear stream, free to roast mills, and ride the broad backs of slow moving bulls. MEALIES, mill ka roasting mills. Question number 3. Why did the inauguration ceremony take place in the amphitheater formed by the Union Building in Pretoria? Why did the inauguration ceremony take place in the amphitheater formed by the Union Building in Pretoria? It was the first democratic non-racial government taking oath war in South Africa. The ceremony was attended by dignitaries अच्छे अच्छे लोग, from more than 140 countries around the world, and thousands of people of South Africa of all the races to make the day memorable. So it took place in the amphitheater formed by the Union Building in Pretoria. So everybody can observe. Question 4, जो इतना important नहीं but फिर भी देख लेते हैं. What are the ideas which Mandela set for the future of South Africa in his swearing in ceremony? What are the ideals which Mandela set for the future of South Africa in his swearing in ceremony? Mandela emphasized, put a stress, थोड़ा जोर दिया, to liberate all the people from poverty, one, deprivation, जिनके हक छीन गए हैं वो, snatch, suffering, gender, and other discrimination in his swearing in ceremony. Now, important question. What did Mandela think for the oppressor and oppressed? Very important question. What did Mandela think for the oppressor and the oppressed? Mandela always thought that both the oppressor and oppressed are deprived of their humanity. Deprived मतलब उसके हक छीन लिए गए. Oppressor is a prisoner of hatred, while oppressed has no confidence in humanity. So both of them need to be liberated. एक जुल्म करने वाला, एक जुल्म सहने वाला. Oppressor is a prisoner of hatred. इसको काफी दूसरे के प्रति घृणा है, हेट्रेडनेस है. While oppressed, जो जिसके ऊपर जुल्म करता है, has no confidence in humanity. So both of them need to be liberated. Next question. What do you understand by apartheid? Apartheid का मतलब आप क्या समझते हो? Next question, number 6. What do you understand by apartheid? Apartheid is a political system that divides people according to their race. In this system, black colored people in South Africa were not free even to discharge their personal and social obligations of being parents, sons, and husbands, etc. I repeat, apartheid is a political system that divides people according to their race. In this system, black colored people in South Africa were not free even to discharge their personal and social obligation of being parents, son, and husbands, etc. Next question. ये भी important है. Number 7. Describe the effect of the policy of apartheid on the people of South Africa. Describe the effect of the policy of apartheid on the people of South Africa. The policy of apartheid could not be considered fortunate for the people of South Africa. It created distance and deep wound in the country and the people. Many great men like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Yusuf Dadu, Bram Fisher, etc. were produced due to brutality, savageous, जंगली बोलते हैं ना, brutal, and operation. They were men of great character. इन लोगों ने काफी हेल्प की थी. Next question. How is courage related to the brave man according to author of the lesson? How is courage related to brave man according to author of the lesson? The author believes that courage is not the absence of fear, but it is the triumph or win or conquer over it. Brave man is not the one who does not feel fear of any kind, but he is the one who has the courage to conquer it. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन है कि मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन को दोबारा रिपीट नहीं कर सकता. तो जिनको ऐसा लगे कि बराबर सुनाई नहीं दिया हो या तो दे अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, दे कैन रिवाइंड एंड सी इट अगेन. क्वेश्चन 9. Could everyone fulfill the obligation, personal or social, in South Africa? Could everyone fulfill the obligations, personal or social, in South Africa? Answer: no. Everyone was not free to fulfill their obligation because of the color of the skin. If a person tried to fulfill his obligation, he was punished and isolated for being a rebel. रिबेल मतलब अपोज करना, रिबेलियन, रिवॉल्ट, म्यूटिनी, बहुत सारे वर्ड है. क्वेश्चन 10. What did Mandela realize about his brothers and sisters? What did Mandela realize about his brothers and sisters? Mandela realized that his brothers and sisters were not free in their own country due to their color. Freedom of everyone in his society was curtailed, restricted, hampered, checked. He joined the African National Congress and fought for the freedom. Fought for the freedom. Next question, number 11. Why was Nelson Mandela changed into a bold man? Why was Nelson Mandela changed into a bold man? Nelson Mandela was changed into a bold man due to his desire for the freedom of his country and his countrymen. He wanted to live a life with dignity as he could not enjoy the limited freedom. Nelson Mandela was changed into a bold man due to his desire for the freedom of his country and his countrymen. He wanted to live a life with dignity, status, as he could not enjoy the limited freedom. अब 5-6 बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन है जो दोबारा बिल्कुल रिपीट नहीं होंगे, तो आपको बराबर ध्यान से सुनना है, और ये सभी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्वेश्चन 1, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. What does Nelson Mandela refer to as an extraordinary human disaster? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, likely to be asked. What does Nelson Mandela refer to as an extraordinary human disaster? Nelson Mandela refers to the apartheid policy of the white race against the black people as an extraordinary human disaster. White people snatched freedom from the colored people of South Africa to whom the country belonged. Actually, country तो black people की ही थी. The black people were subjected to oppression for long. They were not even allowed to discharge their obligation to their own families, community, and their country. White people had no compassion for them and oppressed their own people and put them in prison. If they had some freedom, it was curtailed, restricted, checked, or hampered. The black people lived the life of a slave. The black people lived the life of a slave. Next question, number 2, long question. Describe the views of Mandela for the black people who fought and sacrificed their life for the country's political independence. Describe the views of Mandela for the black people who fought and sacrificed their lives for the country's political independence. Mandela always said that the political freedom was the result of sacrifices of thousands of black people who fought for that. He said that it could not be repaid. He thought himself as the sum of all those African patriots. ये आपने आगे भी सुना है. He regretted that he could not thank them क्योंकि वो सब चले गए, मर गए. He cursed the policy of apartheid that wounded the people of his country, which would take centuries to heal. Heal मतलब कि उसको ये जख्म को राइट बढ़ते बढ़ते काफी सेंचुरीज हो गई. He also said that oppression and brutality of the white people produced great freedom fighters like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Luthuli, Dadu, Fisher, Sobukwe, and many more. They were men of courage, wisdom, and large-heartedness. They really suffered a lot for the political freedom of the country and might have sacrificed their life. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. What does Mandela mean to say that oppressor and oppressed alike are robbed of their humanity? The best question of this chapter. Best question. What does Mandela mean to say that the oppressor and oppressed alike are robbed of their humanity? ध्यान से सुनना. Mandela is right in saying that oppressor and oppress, oppressor मतलब कि जो जुल्म करता है वो, and oppressed मतलब जिसके ऊपर जुल्म होता है वो, alike are robbed of their humanity. Both of them are actually victim of hatred. Everyone is obliged to discharge their duties, whether personal or social, but without freedom, a man cannot do so. The person who snatched this freedom of a man is really an oppressor and a prisoner of hatred. He has lack of humanity, but this is the same with a person who is oppressed by the other. Next question. Describe the obligation which the author is talking about and also describe his feeling for them. Describe the obligation which the author is talking about and also describe his feeling for them. In the chapter, author has talked about two obligations for every man. First obligation is toward his family, parents, wife, and children. Second is toward his community and his country. Being a social person, one has to fulfill these obligations. But being a black color person in South Africa, a man was not free to perform his obligation and got punished if he tried to do that. Being a child, the author never thought of such obligations, but after he did so, he fought for the people and country to be free and enjoy their freedom of performing their duties personal and social. Last and final question. Describe the value of freedom for the human being and how it is important for the growth of civilization and humanism, as described in the lesson Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Question बड़ा है. Describe the value of freedom for the human being and how it is important for the growth of civilization and humanism, as described in the lesson Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Last question. Everybody, whether human or other creatures, want to live free as freedom in natural to all living beings. The value of freedom is better known to that human being who has not tasted it till he gets it. जब तक कि उसको पता नहीं चले फ्रीडम क्या है, तब तक उसको पता ही नहीं चलता है. A person who is changed with the limits and not allowed to perform his duty freely values freedom more than anyone else. जिसको ये दबा के रखा, सैबोटेज किया, सप्रेस किया, इनको ही फ्रीडम की ज्यादा पता चलता है. For example, for instance, the value of freedom is known better to Mandela, who remained behind the bars most of his life, 27 years. Think about a bird or animal which is caged, as they have the habit of living with full freedom. But in the cage, they are not free, and their condition is very piteous or pitiable. Piteous or pitiable is the adjective form of pity. Similarly, life becomes a hell if we are deprived of freedom. There is no growth of civilization, as it grows only when one has freedom. Similarly, humanism grows in the atmosphere of freedom. Everybody wants freedom and they should, right, observe it. So we have completed all the question answer of Nelson Mandela. आप इसको प्रिपेयर करते जाओ, राइट. नहीं समझ में आए वापस से रिवाइंड करते करते वीडियो देखते जाओ. बट दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, टफ चैप्टर. सो thank you very much for hearing this video, right? If you like, you can share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Goodbye from Sanjay Purohit.